Hi, in this video we'll cover system user creation and profile mapping. So in the mid office, to create a new system user, we'll have to go to company tab. In company, we go to system users. So these are all the system users already created. And to create a new user, we'll have to click on create new user. So if I click on create new user, it enables the option to create a new user by mentioning all the details like the title, the employee code, first name and the last name, email ID, the username and the password, which will be used as the credentials, login credentials by the user, branch, job title, access profile. So again, access profile is the access being given to the user to certain tabs. So to enable this profile or to map this profile, we create the profile in the profiles tab. So when we come to profile, here I see the existing profiles created. So we have created a profile for back office user, travel coordinator, address profile, administrator profile, and many others. So to create, so if I select any of the existing profile, it enables the options as in the rights being given to this particular profile. And if I have to create a new profile, I'll have to say add. I'll have to specify a name and save and assign rights. So I have created a new profile called profile new, and to assign rights, it has enabled the options like the menu items, and here I'll have to either check or uncheck the box to give access to this particular profile. So by giving access, I'll have to save the rights given and the profile is created. And further, this profile is mapped to the users. So we'll look at the existing user. So we have already specified the details of the user, and in the profile details, we see the access profile mapped as administrator, and there are other profiles also in the drop down, and this is the new profile we just created. So if I map this particular profile, the access to this user is restricted as per the access being allowed. Next are the reports. So again, we can enable and disable rights to certain reports to this user. The type of customer, we specify the type of customer, the products to be applicable. So this particular user can see only the products being enabled to view and can also action only on this specified products only. And also below there are certain access being given like the ticketing airline access, LCC booking access. So whether to allow the access or to restrict the access can be managed in the system user. So this is how we create the system user in company tab, and also we map the profile to allow or restrict the access. Thank you.